Let me go get the thing for it.
What?
That cap that goes in there.
Flip it over. Did you find your shocks for the back?
Now I'm finna get them next. As soon as I get these girls and that third member in here.
Here, let's get it in the light so I can get a good shot of it.
Up there?
Oh, it's aluminum cap?
Yeah. You know when you put it all together?
Yeah.
You pour your oil in there.
That's nice.
It is. Pour that oil.
Yeah. You gonna do the QA1 shocks?
Yeah, let me show you. I had started on the Nova, man. I had started on the short bed, and then I said, no, the Nova's gonna be the hardest, so I got back on it. I had
Okay.
one shot for that truck.
So what we got here, man? I didn't know you was getting the brakes all ready for it.
Getting the brakes on. I'm tired of playing.
All right.
Tired of playing.
What the 13?
I got that on there for my whatchamacallit.
What's
the boat got it on.
What's them 13s?
What?
Just the rotor size?
13, bro.
Hey man, get back. Jumping, kicking dirt on me.
I went to Summit this morning to give me some love. I gotta give me some love. But they didn't have what I want, so I'm not going to pursue. Man, Boo just told me they racing down there. I gotta go down there.
Yeah. I like the little setup though. It's I said it look good.
Paul Payton deal that. So about 79 years old.
Did you what size these again?
13 inch.
13? Yeah, I can tell when I looked at them.
13 inch rubber. Well wood brakes.
When you gonna test fit it on here?
I'm gonna get the lug because when I test fit it, and I'm gonna buy the shocks. When I test fit it, I want to be able to put the shocks. I'm gonna put it in, tires and all. Up under there.
This is a brand new tire, ain't it?
Yeah, that's going to his truck.
He said he couldn't get it to go in part.
Yeah, no, it won't go in part. We talked to Monster. They told me what to do.
Okay. You gonna clean up all this stuff off this car, man?
I'm getting ready to move this car over. I need you to, before you go, help me out. Let me do something. I'm gonna get all this stuff out of my man and see what I need. We're gonna clean all that up.
You got them, did you get your shocks?
I ain't got the shocks yet.
The QA1s?
QA1, buddy. I'm gonna show you what they're gonna look like, the QA1 shocks. I ain't got no oil there.
I know that. I was just looking off in there.
I'm gonna get this nose rolling, buddy.
So this thing gonna be strong enough for what you gonna put in that car?
Hold up to 800 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
That's 800 there, buddy. That's what that is. That'd be 8.
Let me turn this fan off. Got a little progress here. Just got one shock on that for now. Got to get the other. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, I'm on it now for the finish.
Yeah, I see. Got the
Another shot.
wheel wood brakes.
I'm gonna go to the front end.
This shot gonna work out?
Yeah, I'm gonna let that guy look at and see what no, I gotta get another car load.
That's what I'm saying. The QA1.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll go get it tomorrow. Got a front end on that book right there.
Yeah, it's coming along. Pa's been putting in work.
You don't need to do nothing now, dude.
Nah, I'm just kind of going over it. You said you do what?
That's the front end right there. I'm gonna get it.
Where? On this book?
Yeah, see it right there?
Oh, okay. Also, all you gotta do is just lift this whole thing up, and then that whole front will come off.
That under that, yeah.
It'll roll off, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I need to get all that stuff off the hood?
Nah, it's fine. I'm just kind of going over the back and showing what you talking about on the front. That's all.
The bumpers in that middle room and I'm gonna get the bumper brackets.
What is this? What's this?
That's that you know that set you gave me?
Huh?
That was a smaller one. That's a big one now.
Oh,
I bought that to mount the shocks on the back.
I don't know what that is.
Put a bigger insert in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coming along. It's the motor right here. Big block.
Hey, fool.
Let's go to my motor.
Remember that dude, look out racing?
Let's go to my motor real quick. That's another Nova right here. This is my brother Nova. That's the frame right there. He got the frame redone. It's kind of dusty. Yeah. Got all that floor and stuff done. Working on these Novas, boy. Anyway, here go my motor for the Malibu. I ain't messed with this thing I don't know how long. Last thing I did to this thing, I took the heads off. It's my block. It's my other motor, my donor motor, where all my parts I'm using. Just took them off and put them on this block, the block that I'm not using. This is the block I'm using. I just need to clean it up, had the heads checked, and slap that thing in the car. I don't feel like taking all this apart, so maybe I'll do another video. I'll pull the whole thing out and mess with it, but yep, that's what we working on here.